Welcome to my YouTube channel of how to make things on your own. Today I'm gonna show you people how to make a Kenyan bracelet. First of all, you need beads and a monofilament line. This is just something that you really need. Another thing will be a plate where you take out this bead from here, put them here and start. Start by acquiring a thread. Here you pull it slowly without interfering with the other strands. Pull it out slowly. Remember, don't open it up all at once because you destroy your thread and you still really need it. After that, once you are done, you cut it the required length. After you have cut your thread, you hold it on both ends. After holding it on both ends like this is our thread over here. The first step in making a bracelet by use of this bead. First of all, you insert 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after you have entered the 4 beads, you crisscross your thread on the 4th bead and pull it all the way to the end. This is what you have. You'll have nearly a star. Then the next step is you insert 1 bead on one strand and another on the other. This is one here and the other one here. Then you insert a 3rd bead, and from this 3rd bead you crisscross again the thread and pull it, go and take the other beads. See what we have over here? At the beginning, if you're still a beginner, it won't make sense. But with time, you realize that a very simple task. And the other one, you continue again. 1 here, 1 here. The 3rd one, you lock it up by crisscrossing the threads from both ends. You do this up to the required thickness that you might want. This is we're making from here to here. It means that if you want it to be that wide, you insert as much as you want. Here I've inserted how many? 1, 2, 3. The 4th time. Lock your 3rd bead. Then when you have reached your required what? Width. You do what? You insert 3 beads on one strand. 1, 2, 3. After you've done that, you again lock the 3rd bead into place. This is when you've just reached your required width. After that, this is what you have. You again on the outer strand, the one that points out here, this one. You insert another 3 beads.
0711 277 009 au
and lock them into place. After you lock them into place, you realize that there is another layer that's starting to pop up from the ones you started with. You see here, these ones are up here, this one. Then you take the lower strand, this one, you take it and insert it on the bead that's just next there. After that, you take the top strand and insert 2 beads. 2. Remember, 2. 1, 2. Again, lock the second bead into place. You realize that your bracelet is now on its way of being formed. Repeat the same thing. Insert the lower string into that next bead. From there, you insert other 2 beads on top. Lock them into place. The lower strand, you insert it on that bead that is just there standing. I hope you can be able to see it. This one over here, this is where we're inserting. Though some people might be wondering why just saying insert. This is what we're almost at the end. We insert another 2 beads. 1, 2.
Unamsikia ndugu Wanyoni timu anasema Mejeledi
1, 2. We are here at the end. When you reach the end, what you do, you insert it over here on the lower bead. Then on the outer strand, you insert 2 beads. Okay. After you have inserted your lower thread on that bead, this one, you now come here at the end. You don't insert 2 beads on the upper one. You insert 2 on the outer strand. This outer strand, this one, you insert 2 beads to complete that layer, the second layer. 1, 2. You lock it, the second bead, you lock it into place like that. You'll realize that the second layer is complete. We now want to move on the next layer, which is the third layer. To move to the third layer, we repeat what we did on the other end. You insert 3 beads, 3 beads on the outer strand. This one, make sure you hold it up like this. You get to know which one is the outer, which one is the inner. This one tends to go inside, we call it the inner strand. This one points out is the outer strand. No, on the outer strand, we insert 3 beads. 3, 1, 2, 3. You lock the third bead into place, pull it. You realize that you have now started the third layer of beads. This one, this is the third layer. You repeat the same process you have been doing on the second layer. You take this lower strand, and insert it on this next bead that is standing upwards. From there, I hope you now get what you have been doing. We repeat the same process over and over to the required length of your arm. Then on the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to join a strand after a strand is over, how to join it, how to, after you are done with the required length of your arm, how to lock it into place so that it can look like this one over here. Thank you. What's up? They edit.